Hello everyone. Today we are making a snowman door hang. Continue to watch this video so that we can make this cool craft together. So in your Take and Make kit, you should have 3 pieces of paper, a shape, cutout, twine, white glue, and a Q-tip. From home, you would need glue, scissors, pencil, black marker, and a hole punch. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out our circle. You will then take one paper of brown. This one's pretty thick, so we'll start with that one first, taking our pencil and tracing around our circle. And then so trace it on the side to make sure you have space on this side for the other part of this craft. Let's cut out our next one. Perfect. Now that we have both of these cut out, we are going to glue them together. So I'll put some glue down, and let's put that on top. Right in the middle. Perfect. If you want, you can trim off some edges that you see. Okay, perfect. Now, we're gonna make sure that's nice and glued, press it down. We're gonna take our pencil and we're just going to do a round part along the bottom part of our paper. So again, we're going to get our Q-tip and our paint, and we're going to paint the bottom half. So along that pencil mark. And then fill in the bottom. Do little swirls. And then we're going to add a few dots on the top. Okay, we're gonna set this off to the side until it dries and move on to our next part of this craft. Okay, so the next part of this craft would be to get our shape template back out with the extra pieces, and we're gonna cut this out. Perfect, and then we're gonna cut our triangle. Great. We're going to take our orange paper and cut out our triangle. Actually, I'm gonna cut mine a little bit closer to the line. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna trace this out and then cut it. And cut. Perfect. We're going to trace this part around here. And we're going to cut that off. And here, this is where we'll need our hole punch, and we're going to put a hole right at the top. And we'll take our black marker and we'll put we'll write let it snow. So let it snow. Okay. And we'll put that off to the side. We'll get our circle back. It should be dry. We're going to poke another hole with the hole punch right at the top. We're gonna take our orange triangle. We're gonna glue that on. Then we'll take our black marker again, and we are going to draw dots to make a smile. Perfect. Then our twine, we will string through both pieces here. I'm gonna actually put this one on top. And I'm going to do a little knot here at the top. And here we have it. Thank you everyone for continuing to watch this video. I hope you get to hang it on your door, and I hope it snows this winter. So, as always, continue to be up to date with all that's happening here at the Fairfield Public Library by checking out our calendar. As always, it was great crafting with you. Bye!